Alright, so to start off, I know this probably isn't like a good start, but I didn't realize until after my 12-hour shift today that this doesn't have like a cover thing or a side thing, so I'm going to get a new one of those, but I couldn't do it after work today. So to start off, I also have all of these plastic things just in the front in case I need them, and also my printer right now is broken, so for now, this is my table of contents. All of this stuff will be updated by the time that the actual portfolio goes in, but all the assignments are here, I promise. So I also have all of these tabs, the modules, the ones that kind of stick out, so that way you can see which ones you're talking about. So I have my week 1 overview, and same with all of them. The way that I'm making mine a little bit more unique is I printed borders and then actually used highlighter for going around all the borders in different colors. That's not any of them. In the pink, the blue, and then some orange, and well, you'll see all of them. So I have the week 1, and then I have all of the professional dress and all of the week 1 stuff that I was supposed to get filled out, which I actually did only a couple days ago, but that's fine. So the placement letter, and then the introductions to the discussion forum, along with my permission for my portfolio and all of that. We're not allowed to take pictures at my practicum of the children, so that wasn't an option, but that's fine. And then my syllabus, which is all in one, and then I have the discussion board guidelines for the first week, and then module 2, the week 2 overview, just talking about like all the things, and then my journal on these 2 pages. And the other thing I did is I went and I changed the font on some of these, so that way they're all like the same. And then talking about having like the actual guidelines for that journal that was just there, and then the 2 different articles, so the rain one and then the protecting, the one you did in color but I chose not to. And that's all in one. And then from there I have the week 3, which is talking about like the whack and all that kind of stuff. My hours all highlighted, all the information, because I realized after that I didn't actually like go through and make it easy. And so this one I'm talking about, I changed the font so that way everything matches for the most part, unless they were already written by you specifically. And then I went through and I did all the borders. So for my journal, all of these, and then the WAC, the discussion forum, and like what you're looking for, and then the actual discussion. So my initial post, and then my response to my other 2 classmates. And from there, my week 4 overview. So the orientation checklist, which I lost, so I just printed out the picture of the one that I turned in. And my journal on just like the experience that I had there, which ended up being about 2 and a bit pages. And then the developmental guidelines for each of the children, which was about 2 pages as well. And then the orientation checklist, which is the picture of the one I already submitted. I'm sorry, I could not find it anywhere. And then the week 5 overview with the journals. Again, I put the journals at the front because I feel like those are the big assignments for the week. They're always the biggest ones that I like to look at. And then all of the, in the class, the safety checklist, which is just all of these. And then that's all for the week 5. And then the week 6, again, of course, the overview. The daily schedule with the evaluation, the analysis, so this is the schedule, and then this is on the page, the analysis, and then the journal for that week. And then that's all I have so far. So because I didn't know if we were supposed to do number 7, but like I said, my printer's broken, so I just put all the rest of the tabs in here, like ready to go, and then they'll be there for when we end up getting to the end. And yeah, so that's fine. Like I said, I'm sorry, I didn't realize this was blank. I know that'll be points off for this assignment, but as long as it's there for the portfolio, that's what I'm concerned with for right now. So yeah, thank you.